Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Terra Luna price prediction and Terra Luna news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Terra Luna in 2022. Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payment systems. According to its white paper, Terra combines the price stability and wide adoption of fiat currencies with the censorship resistance of Bitcoin, BTC, and offers fast and affordable settlements. Development on Terra began in January 2018, and its mainnet officially launched in April 2019. As of September 2021, it offers stablecoins pegged to the US dollar, South Korean won, Mongolian tugruk and the International Monetary Fund's special drawing rights basket of currencies, and it intends to roll out additional options. Terra's native token, Luna, is used to stabilize the price of the protocol's stablecoins. Luna holders are also able to submit and vote on governance proposals, giving it the functionality of a governance token. Terra was founded in January 2018 by Daniel Shin and Du Quan. The two conceived of the project as a way to drive the rapid adoption of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency through a focus on price stability and usability. Quan took on the position of CEO of Terraform Labs, the company behind Terra. The sanctions have closed the country's stock market and sent the ruble to historic lows. Two people familiar with the process have disclosed that the executive order on cryptocurrency is expected to be issued this week. The order will describe what government agencies, including the Treasury Department, should do to create policies and regulations on digital currencies. It is also expected to develop policies to enable the US government to work with foreign powers to regulate crypto and its trade across international borders. Furthermore, the order will ask other agencies, including the Financial Stability Oversight Council, the Treasury Department, among others, to analyze the use of cryptocurrency in financial crimes and its impact on the environment. Besides that, the order will also direct agencies to build on efforts by the Federal Reserve to study the possibility of launching a new central bank digital currency. In January, the Federal Reserve issued a report that discussed the risks and benefits of US-backed digital currency. US officials have remained concerned about Russia's ability to use cryptocurrency to evade sanctions. Crypto is one of several spaces that the Biden administration is looking to beef up, as it attempts to ensure that sanctions on Russia have maximum impact. The order appears neutral on the issues of cryptocurrencies as a whole. It hints that the US will not go in the direction of banning the use of technology. In the recent past, as reported by blockchain.news, several countries, including China, issued a complete ban on cryptocurrency within their jurisdictions. The implication in the order is that cryptocurrency will remain a part of the US economy for years to come. The order signals that regulations are underway. It means that significant changes are on the way to how the US government handles a technology that has until now seen its development majorly driven by private businesses. 11.43% and 5.82%, respectively. In 2013, Ipan was a director and head of the global value team at Vinnick Asset Management. Before that, David Ipan was the lead portfolio manager, co-founder, and chief investment officer at Tradewinds Global Investors, LLC, which managed $38 billion as of February 2012. Ipan's career started at Farmers Group Incorporated, where he worked for 14 years, starting from securities analyst to eventually becoming lead portfolio manager and director of research, managing $16 billion in assets in 1996, when he moved on to Cramlett & Carney as a senior portfolio manager. David Ipan has a bachelor's degree from the University of California and an MBA from the University of Southern California Marshall School of Business. He has also earned a CFA designation. As of the end of the third quarter, Copernic Global Investors manages approximately $946 million in assets, which is an increase of 1% over the previous quarter. The hedge fund invests primarily in global corporate equity and acts through a fundamentals-based, value-oriented process that is driven by extensive research. Copernic Global seeks to identify stocks that are trading below their intrinsic value and has majority holdings in the basic materials segment, betting on increasing commodities prices heading into 2022. Some of the most notable stocks in David Ipan's portfolio include Sprott Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange SI, Royal. US President Joe Biden is expected to issue an executive order on cryptocurrency this week. The move will mark the first step toward regulating how crypto assets are traded. The action by the White House comes as, in recent weeks, US administration officials have raised concerns about Russia's use of crypto assets to evade the impact of sanctions in response to its invasion of Ukraine. Government still controlled the currency. While the official peg to the euro is €1 to 655.96 CFA francs, its purchasing power has eroded over time. In 1994, the World Bank devalued the CFA franc against the French franc from 150 to 100. That year, West Africans woke up to realize the value of their life savings had been slashed in half. Gawar, the founder of Kivaclair, a Bitcoin beach-inspired refugee project in the Congo, told Cointelegraph that the CFA makes whole countries dependent and it is usually the poorest who suffer. He explained the situation in 1994. The most striking example is that of 1994 when France and a privileged few decided to devalue the CFA franc. There is no guarantee that such a thing will not happen again, especially since the global economy is threatened. Prior to the creation of Bitcoin, West Africans could store their money in euros. Dollars are traditional stores of value, real estate and commodities. For everyday people, however, those options are not readily available. Mama Bitcoin, the first retailer to accept cryptocurrency in Senegal, told Cointelegraph that the CFA is disempowering. She suggests that Bitcoin could provide a way out. Our money belongs to France. The CFA is made in France, and is, for want of a better word, colonial money. Bitcoin, however, Bitcoin belongs to everyone. With the arrival of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, indeed, there is now a viable alternative. Gawar suggests that Bitcoin can help the countries of the CFA zone to free themselves from France, to finally turn the dark page of colonization. Networks, Terra price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $427.50 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $363.73 with a maximum price of $427.50 for 2025. Terra price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Terra Luna prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $528.51. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Terra's maximum price could reach up to $608.10 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Luna course prediction 2027. Luna will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Terra course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Terra price will be almost $734.06. The maximum bid we can get is $915.02. Terra average price forecast for the end of 2027 could be around $760.49. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Terra course forecast 2028. Luna has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Terra, the price could rise much higher. By 2028, it may reach a maximum value of $1,262.55. Luna is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2028 could end with an average price of $1,115.74, a low price of $1,085.32, and a high price of $1,262.55. I hope this information was useful for you. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so as not to miss the latest news about cryptocurrency.